In question 5, it says that the equation of a curve is such that dy dx is given as 4x minus 3 root x plus 1. We have to find the x coordinate of the point on the curve at which the gradient is 11 by 2. Now we know that dy dx is basically the gradient of a curve. So we can write it as 11 upon 2 is equals to 4x minus 3 root x plus 1. Now cross multiplying, we'll get 11 is equals to 8x minus 6 root x plus 2. Bringing the 11 on this side, we'll get 8x minus 6 root x plus 2 minus 11, that's minus 9 equals to 0. Now, this is a form of a quadratic equation. We can just use a simple substitution. We can write y is equals to root x and y square will be is equals to x. As if you whole square both the sides, you'll get y square equals to x. This equation, we can write it as 8y squared minus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Factorizing, we'll get 8y square minus 12y plus 6y minus 9 equals 0. Taking 4 common, we'll get 4y is equals to 2y minus 3 plus taking 3 common, we'll get 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So the two values of y will be y equals to minus 3 by 4 and y equals to 3 by 2. Now we know that x is equals to y squared, as we have to find the values of x. So squaring the values of y will get 9 by 16 and the second value of x will be 9 by 4. Now if we substitute x equals to 9 by 16 into this expression, that will not be equals to 11 upon 2. So the only possible answer for which the gradient is 11, the coordinate of x will be 9 by 4. In part B, it says given that the curve passes through the point 4, 11, we have to find the equation of the curve. To find the equation of the curve, we'll have to integrate the expression for dy by dx. We can first rearrange it and write it as dy is equals to, we'll multiply dx on this side. We'll write it as 4x minus 3x to the power half plus 1 and dx. Now integrating both the sides, so integrating dy, we get y equals to 4x squared upon 2. So that will become 2x squared. This will become 3x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So the 2 will come in the numerator and 3 will cancel. So we can just simply write it as 2x to the power 3 by 2. Integrating 1 will get x plus c. So now substituting the values of x and y, which is 11 and 4. So 11 is equals to 2 times, that will become 4 squared. So that will become 16 minus 2 times the value of x is 4 and 4 to the power 3 upon 2, that will be 8. As square root of 4 is 2 and 2 cube is 8 plus 4 plus c. So 11 is equals to 32 minus 16 plus 4 plus c. So 11 is equals to 16 plus 4 is 20 plus c, and the value of c will be equals to minus 9. So the final expression for the equation will be y equals to 2x squared minus 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus x minus 9.